Hello.
Yes, ma'am. You can start.
Okay, everyone is in? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Tanya is also there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Govind?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So how many of us are there? Okay, only 11 of us, is it? Are we expecting more people to join? गोविंद
यस मैम।
और आने वाले हैं?
मुझे नहीं लगता, नहीं आएंगे अभी, बीच में कोई ज्वाइन कर लेगा, अभी रास्ते में कोई क्लासेस है ना।
7 ही लोग हैं. Why only 7 people? Tanya, Ishmanpreet, Govind, all of you all will have to reiterate in every call every day that these calls are extremely important. And this is the way we are marking attendance like we used to do in our initial days. Attending each and every call is extremely important for them to be considered present. Otherwise, we will deduct penalties for every day absent and every day not updating, the work progress. There will be a penalty that will be imposed. Govind, you have to seriously mandate this. And you have to ensure that everyone who is missing the status call and not updating the work that they have done for that day, the 25 rupees are deducted each day for this.
ओके ओके मैम।
Please make a note. Yes, please make a note and make it into a regular practice. Please understand, guys, that company incurs cost in organizing all these meetings. You know, we are spending 1 hour of our time, 4 of us, and we are therefore it's a cost that the organization is incurring only to ensure that the team is better equipped, in terms of doing complete justice to the work that they are doing, in terms of quality, in terms of productivity, in terms of the money that they are making for themselves. It's a platform that we are providing you to come and ask questions, get your doubts addressed, and make yourself better each day. See how others are doing, what are the best practices. It's a forum for all of us to get together and learn from each other. Right. So it's a win-win situation for the organization and the participants, and therefore we cannot afford to miss it. So please ensure that it's a mandatory call for both Telugu and Malayalam going forward. Now, till the time we decide that, yes, now we have achieved the desired productivity and quality levels. So up till then, these calls are extremely mandatory for us. Right. And that's why I have requested both Tanya and Ishmanpreet so that, if one is not available, the second person can take it up. If not available, then I and Govind can manage. Right. But the call will definitely, no matter what. All right. Now, I was told to do a quick briefing so that people understand what are we working towards, what is the company about, who are the people behind the show and everything. Since all of us are working from remote locations, we don't get to see each other. We don't get to understand what kind of work is happening, who is the end client. So I thought it will help you all understand, when you have a look at the bigger picture. So first of all, a brief introduction about the organization. So the company where you're doing this internship is called Concept Ventures. It's an entity which has 3 legal entities under its name. So one is Concept Green Energy Private Limited, which is an engineering consultancy firm. This the promoters of all of these 3 firms are directors, alumni from the premier institutes here in Delhi and global, academics. I'm delighted to tell you all that's a good opportunity for all of you all to come in an organization where you have these technocrats with really good credentials And the company is also pretty old now. It's about 11 years old. 2010, the first company was incorporated. So for last 11 years, we have been in the field and growing, which itself is a testimony that, we are definitely doing something good, and thus have been able to be there in the market. Otherwise, for first generation entrepreneurs, it's definitely not an easy thing to start venture and then keep going. So yeah, so we are hopeful that we'll continue the growth the way we are doing. I'm sure the future is going to be much brighter and better for us. So the other two companies, so the first one is into engineering consultancy, where we undertake projects for engineering, for PSUs, governments, etc. And these are generally power projects consultancy for solar, thermal, hydro, all of these. The second company is Concept Infracon, where we undertake the construction bit of these, again, these core sector, energy firms. So construction of dams, bridges, roads, even condos like a Japanese condominium, which was constructed in Laos. So international projects as well. So Concept Infracon undertakes the infrastructure related projects. The third company where you are doing your internship is Concept Research Media, where we are doing market research and IT work. And this is a project for which we have been working regularly for past 4 years. The client is has a long-term association with us, and we have been working with them. This is for a machine learning, application development, basically. So the client is in the process of developing applications like Siri, Alexa, where they work, on voice commands. So now, in order to train the system, there needs to go in a lot of data. So for a Siri to do a search and come out with your responses, they need to first understand the language in which the command is given to them. So that's the first barrier that the application, like the IVR based applications have a challenge, and they need to address that. So that is where we come into picture, and that's the reason why we are doing this transcription, where we first create audio files in different languages, and then we feed in that into the system. So we feed the audio and the text of that audio, so that the machine can understand that, okay, this particular text matches with this kind of a voice, this kind of a sound. And there's a detailed science involved, that every voice that comes out of everyone's mouth, and the way it is written down, how are they related? So basis that, basically this is the bigger picture, where I wanted to explain to you that the entire transcription exercise that we are undertaking is for development of similar applications like Siri and Alexa, which our client is doing. And thus we are doing this transcription, where we are a lot of data input for their applications. Now, so this is not going to be difficult. Initially, maybe, yes, a couple of weeks you might spend understanding the way it has to be done. But going forward, it will not be difficult. Trust me on that. Other thing is the offer letters will be given to you. So as I told you, we have 200 and plus people working with us at any given point in time. So, it's a very fair and square place to work for. There are no, dubious practices. There are no false claims, no false practices. You have Govind, Tanya, and Ishmanpreet with us, and they have been working with us just like you guys only. The two of them are not permanent employees, but they have been associated with us for over years now. And they can definitely vouch for the fact that whatever is claimed in terms of the payment, in terms of the timeliness of payment, etc., we try our best to adhere. Obviously there could be one or two exceptions where there could be a few days delay in payments, but otherwise we are one of the best in the industry in terms of making the payment, where it takes about 3 months. of payment, for people to get, we generally, and in most cases, do monthly payments. So every month you complete your work, we submit the invoice, we get the payment, and when we get the payment within a day or two, the payment is transferred to all the transcribers. Right. So I was seeing a couple of messages around payments, etc., on WhatsApp. My request and a very, very strict, appeal to all of you all is that the WhatsApp group is only and only to discuss the issues that you face with respect to a particular transcription project problem. If you're stuck somewhere, if you have some problem, if you're not able to access Workbench and things like those, any technical problem, you can feel free and discuss there and get a resolution. Anything related to your payment, your offer letter, etc., please directly get in touch with Mr. Govind, directly get in touch with me, and we will, answer and address your queries. There's a whole HR and accounts department in Concept Ventures which undertakes these, and there's no one else which would know anything about it. And therefore, do not bother others. Do not, keep asking everyone, when will I get payment? When will I get offer letter, etc. I also understand that since it's a first time engagement, your concern about whether you'll get it, not get it, all that is absolutely fine. But there's nothing much one can do. You can only take some measures and safeguards, which is like going on the company website, checking the promoters details, checking with people who have been working with us for past many years, and getting feedback from them. That's all that you can do. So feel free, and that's why I have connected you with Ishmanpreet and Tanya. Connect with them and check with them whether the payment happens or not, whether it happens on time or not, etc. And I'm sure you will get a affirmative response on that, because that's the reason why we have 200 plus people continuously working for us for last 4 years and more. Right. So about the offer letter will be given to you once you complete 5 hours of transcription, because it's a lot of effort for the organization to do training, to hire people, to retain them, to do everyday status calls, training, etc. So it's impossible for any organization to keep training 200 people and keep distributing offer letters only to know that only 5% of that 200 people are actually working. So once we are assured that okay, you are seriously and genuinely interested and are not in the process of only collecting offer letters from organizations, so when you spend about 2 weeks of time and complete about 5 hours of work, then the offer letter will be processed and given to you. So that's not a problem. You'll always get all the letters that we have promised: letter of recommendation, experience certificate, offer letter, payment, all that will come in, and will come in due time. So please do not have any apprehensions around it. In case you have anything, any concerns, any questions, feel free and connect with me one-on-one, and get further clarity on that. Right. So I think that's all that I had to say, and now I'll hand it over to the others, Ishmanpreet, Tanya, Govind, to take the discussion forward and answer any other questions that you guys have. Right.
I have a concern actually.
Yes, Apurva.
Yeah. So could you just give us an assurance over mail or a written assurance that like after 15 hours of work, we'll be given the offer letter, something like that?
What assurance do you want?
At least a mail would do.
You can write an email to you, and I will, accept it and revert back. Okay. See, please understand, my concern is that there are 200 people who get trained, every week in the system. So writing 200 mails becomes very difficult. And most people do not have such concerns. Anyone specifically, if he or she has, then you can definitely take my email ID. Please note it down. This is smitasmita@conceptventure.
I'm sorry. Can you just repeat?
I will type it in the chat box.
Okay, sure. And what did you say about the payment?
Concept Ventures. This is my ID. Anyone who has a concern, please send an email and I will reply to that. The payment will happen monthly, month on month, but the first payment will only happen once you complete your 5 hours of transcription.
Okay. Okay.
Tanya, you can take the status call.
Yeah, sure. Fatima, Apurva, how much work is done?
Yeah, I've done 2 work.
Today, duration of the file which you submitted is 20 minutes. That's it.
Yep.
No other file is done, right? Yeah.
2
Okay, I've
files,
allotted you the
2
new.
please.
Today I'm asking. Today I guess I could see only one file.
Yeah,
Okay.
I was not
I've
allotted.
allotted